Alright, YouTubers, today I'm going to go through getting the headlights on this 04 Mazda 3 and this 04 MDX. The headlights are all fogged up and nasty. You can tell it's not clear at all. So my trick is what everybody else has done, but I just use some products that I like, so I'm going to tell you about it. This is soapy water, and this right here, I'm doing it the lazy way because I don't feel like working on this too long. This is 1500 grit wet sandpaper. I let that soak in there for about 10 minutes. You could soak it up there longer. So I'm going to go through here and with this wet sandpaper, I'm just going to sand up and down. The type of polishing compound I'm going to use only recognize up and down sand strokes, not anything that swirls. So you can't just swirl sand. You got to up and down. So I'm going to up and down sand it on both of these headlights. All of these headlights, just up and down. This one has a bubble in it. It's like a weird, if you know this model, it has like this bulge of plastic, but we're still going to just up and down sand. And then side to side. It has to be straight strokes. And then once you go with the polishing compound, it'll fill in. Try to get this a little bit more. So up and down. Side to side. We're going to do this the whole entire headlight lens. Not swirling motions, just up and down, side to side. As you can see, I'm not doing any swirls. And then when I go through with the polisher, if the type, I'll show you what type I use later. It'll fill in those side to side, up and down grain marks, and then it'll polish it up, and then you wax it, it'll be clear. So a trick I like to do is use this leaf blower from Harbor Freight and blow dry the lens so it's nice and dry before you start polishing it. That wet spot is because I was using my handy dandy water blade to flick off water, and that's just a technique I like to do when I'm drying cars so you don't have any water spots. But anyways, blow dry, drive the car. Alright, so here it is. See, they're all still quite foggy. And dry that more. But here's the compound. It's called Mirror Glaze Ultra Cut Compound 105. And that is by Geyers. But put this on here. This buffer random orbital polisher by Black & Decker. I bought this at Harbor Freight. It's like $35. Terribly expensive, but it does a very good job. So here we go. Alright, so I'm going to put like 3/4 25-cent size things on here. And I'm just going to rub it in real quick. Try to get it all throughout the pad, the edges, as well as the middle. I should have put it on the edge. Not just the middle, but hey, that's how we learn. Spread it all out. Because this will spin and rub it in. Alright, so here we go. rubbed in, so if this compound doesn't go flying, here we go. Alright, so I ran out of daylight, but I have a flashlight on, and this is with the stuff still on, but getting cleared up. I'm going to record this tomorrow in the daylight, but you can see it did come out pretty clean and pretty clear again. This is nighttime with a flashlight. This is not good, but tomorrow when there's no and there's more sunlight, I'll record this. But you can see it definitely did work on getting it cleared up. Maybe not 100%, but it works. Better than nothing. This came out pretty good. This side, the inside is actually dirty. So no matter how much you clean the outside, the inside is still fogged up. But came out pretty good. Alright, so here it is in the daylight after I buffed and waxed and got those headlights. They're not perfect, but they're clear again. And that's how you do it the easy way. And I'll go show you my brother's car, but that's pretty much the easy way how to get your headlights clear again. Might cost a little money, a little bit of elbow grease, but it looks a lot better.